English. Anyways, that's fine. So now, I'm Paul. How are you?
I'm good, and yourself?
I'm also good. Dakar, you have to leave that Ramondo secondary and go to other secondary that you will reply with the English as far as we're concerned. Anyways, that's fine. Today we're going to talk about what we call, did I tell you what are we going to talk about now? Oh, we're going to talk about the exchange rate. So we're going to talk about the exchange rate. Are we still together? Hello?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes, we're
sir.
together.
We're going to talk about the exchange rate. So, when we're talking about the exchange rate, when we do an introduction of an exchange rate, let me just try to write it down so that everyone can see. So, in implication, we're going to talk about the implication of fluctuation foreign exchange rate. You must know about the exchange rate so that in future, when you travel, you will know that when you're going to America, you're no longer going to use your rand. Are we good? When you're still young, you must
Yes.
dream big. You must dream big by traveling. Don't stuck at Toyando. Uh, anyways, so when we're talking about the exchange rate, so the foreigner exchange rate shows us how much or one country currency is worth in terms of another country's currency. When exchange rate fluctuate, it go up or it go down. Are we good? By the word fluctuating, we mean it's either it go up or it go down. So they affect the cost of goods and services. So this impact, like petrol, yeah, it affects goods and services like petrol. You will know petrol the day that you buy a car. Like petrol prices, like let's say the imports. Giveaway. Denge technical araniro. Exports and overseas travel. Are we good? And overseas travel. And overseas travel. So now you must take note of the following words when we're talking about what we call appreciate, or let's say appreciation. So an appreciation, this is when the local country, let's say local, we can start with the local country, we can say a local currency, because we're talking about money. Local currency. When a local currency becomes stronger compared to foreign currencies. Are we good? Is when there's an increase of what? Of currency. Are we still together?
I have a question.
Yes, you can ask.
Are these the list that you gave us of like the petrol prices, imports, whatever? Are these examples or the ones that are mainly used in the topic?
Now, I'm just writing them for you to understand what are we talking about when we're talking about the implication of the inflation foreign exchange rate that this is what the impact in our country. It officially affect maybe the petrol price, the imports, the exports, and the overseas travel.
Also, these are just random examples.
Yeah, is the example that you normally know.
Okay.
So now, when we're talking about the, remember when we're talking about the appreciation, we're talking about the increasing, and there is what we call depreciation. Here we're talking about the losing of value. It's like when you buy something in the shop and you get out with it. When you go back with that same thing, you are not going to sell it with the same price because it lost the value. So, but here is when the local currency becomes, when the local currency becomes weaker, foreign currencies. So can we proceed? And
Hey.
and due to your question, who was asking? Let me check. The person who was asking, I didn't even recognize your voice, but I think, what's your name again? The person was asking about the random examples.
The Ampao.
Okay, Amphao. So Amphao,
Yes.
when we are talking about the petrol, ne?
Yeah.
South Africa imports most of its fuel. If the rand weakens against the dollar, petrol prices increase. And when we are talking about the imports, goods bought from other countries becomes more expensive when the rand weakens. And when we're talking
Mm.
about the exports, we mean that a weaker rand makes South African product cheaper for foreigner buyers, which can boost exports. And about the overseas travel, traveling abroad becomes more expensive when the rand weakens. So becomes you get fewer dollars, pound or euros for your rand. That's what we are trying to do example by those things so that you can understand, because this is our only daily life. The petrol we buy, imports, exports, overseas traveling, we travel each and every day. So can we proceed?
Yeah, that part I understand. I was just asking if this was like you just randomly putting examples, or these are the examples that are normally used in the topic.
Yeah, we can say we in this side we can say they are normally used to the topic so that we can understand, but it's not something that they are going to ask you to mention the example of those or foreign exchange rate. No. we are going to calculate to work.
Okay.
So can we go to the next slide? Hello?
Yes.
Are you sleeping, guys?
No.
No,
Just
we
Okay.
are
quickly take
not.
You're just what?
quickly taking a screenshot
You have to write. How can you take a screenshot while you're not writing?
so that like I do not hold up the class.
Oh, okay. But now are we at the same page?
Yes.
Okay, let's do example by those or let's do example by petrol first. Let's do our example by petrol price. This is our example number one. So let's say suppose $1 is equals to 18 rand. Petrol is imported at $2 per liter. Are we still together?
Yes.
So
Yes.
price in rand is equals to what?
18 rand.
Hmm?
18 rand.
Price in rand is equals to 18 rand. So now, how much are you going to buy this liter per US dollar per rand? How much are you going to use per rand? Ourselves, we know that $1 is equals to what? 18 rand. Is that so?
Yes. Yes.
And $2 is equals to what? X, because we don't know. Is that so?
Yes.
So in order for us to find out on how much are we going to use to buy to use on a rand when we are buying for the one per liter using US dollar, we're going to cross multiply here. Then we've got what? We've got X is equals to what? 2 multiplied by what? By 18. Is that so?
Yes.
Then this is nothing but going to be equals to what?
36. 36.
X equals to
36 rand.
36 rand. Did you understand? 36, it means it's going to be 36 rand per what? Per liter. Is that so?
Per rand.
Per rand,
Yes. Oh, per liter, Mansoor.
per liter. So if the rand weakens to $1, is equals to 20, then it means our petrol is going to be what?
Hmm?
If the rands ne,
Eh.
weakens to $1 equals to 20 rand.
Oh, it
If
will be
here,
40.
if here we said now our $1 is equals to 20 rand, then yourself you are going to buy by how much?
40.
It's going to be 40, ne?
Yes.
Did you all understand how she got the solution?
Yes.
So we want to go to the what we call the normal questions that they sometimes normally use. Are we fine? Hello?
Yeah.
Okay. Uh, can we go to the normal questions that we must expect?
Yes.
Okay. Just give me a second. I hope the question is visible. Is that so?
Yes.
Yes, a question. Is it visible enough? Hello?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Uzote, please read the question for us.
The following information is given. 1 is equals to 23.35 gram. $1 is equals to 8 rand, 79. Calculate the rand value of a 1 kg gold bar if 1 ounce of gold is worth 978.34 US dollar.
So I was still together from the question. Hello?
Yes.
So now we are given what?
We are given 1 ounce which is equals to 28.35 gram.
Which is equals to 28.35 gram.
Yes.
But this is something that they want. They want us to calculate. What do they want, those people?
Rand value.
This is our question. Sorry, may I beg your pardon?
The rand value
Yeah, they say calculate the rand value of what?
of a once.
Now, read the question again. You're not reading the question. Read the question starting from where they say calculate.
Calculate the rand value of a 1 kg gold bar. If
Of
1
a
ounce of gold
Awembiri.
oh, of a 1 kg gold bar.
Of a wide 1 kg. 1 kg. We need that one. Of a 1 kg. But they give us what?
They give us
Instead of a
grams.
kg, what did they give us?
Gram.
They give us a gram. So we have to change this kg to a gram first so that we can be able to calculate what they want. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
Everyone, hello?
Yes.
We can't work, hello. We can't work with a kg while we are given a gram. Are we good? Because we don't know ourselves how many kg is equals to 1 ounce. Are we good? So, solution, our 1 kg is equals to how many gram?
1,000.
1,000. gram. Are we good?
Yes.
Hello? So it means our 1000 gram is equals to how many dollar? Hmm?
8,79.
Okay, wait. We know that our one ounce is equals to 28,35 gram. Is that so?
Yes.
And our X once is equals to how many gram? 1000 gram. So now let's check. Or like 1000 gram is equals to how many ones? So what do we have to do?
Divide 28,35 by 1,000.
We
Or
have to cross,
multiply.
we have to cross multiply. All of us were still together, Nepfumbada?
Yes.
Are we still together?
Yes.
It means we're going to have 28,35x is equals to 1000. Is that so? Then we divide both sides by what?
28 by 28,35.
Then we get our x equals to what?
35,27.
30?
35,27.
Are we good? Hello?
Yes.
So now, we didn't
Yes.
answer the question. Is that so? Did we?
No.
So what do we do to continue?
Find the values in dollars.
Find the value in dollars or in rand?
In rand.
Ourselves, they say if what? Hello?
You said if 1 ounce of gold is equals to 978 comma $34. So by finding how much 35,27 ounces is worth in dollars, would be able to convert the dollars into rands.
Therefore, we'll be able to do what?
To convert the dollars into rands.
This is equals to x, right?
Yes.
Then it means we are going to have what? To cross multiply. This question, it need your mindset. We first find Uri like this one, it is nothing but equals to how many dollars, so that we can use this statement to convert our dollar to rand. Are we good? Guys, are you satisfied?
Yes, sir.
Then we get our x is equals to what? What is 35,27 times 978,34?
351936,05.
We're good, right?
I got a different answer though.
No,
Yeah,
one
say it.
difference.
Say it, guys. You have to say your answer. He's trying to make
My
sure that
answer is
you are participating.
34506,05.
Yeah, next time don't just agree on the answer. Just say what you get. You have to press your own calculator. May I beg your pardon, Chipwa? Or
34506,
506,05.
05. Yes.
Therefore, it simple means that now, when we proceed, we are going to say this $1 is equals to 8,79, and this 34506,05 is equals to x. Then we cross multiply. Is it difficult?
yeah.
Is it difficult?
Yes.
Yes.
No, you don't want to reason. This was the simplest question that I have ever chosen.
Eh?
Then what do you get? What is the final solution in rent? Hello?
300.
303. 303
303,
308,17.
303,
308,
308,
18.
18. Is it
Then,
visible?
yeah.
Can you see now that this was the given? It was given.
Oh,
If I was a Tsonga, I was going to say it was Teka Farm.
Is,
eh?
is
I
there
not
another besides this
Can we
one?
can we do the next example?
I was asking,
Yes, what did you say?
is there another method besides this one?
For cross multiplying.
Yeah, besides this one, is there another method?
On the other method, you have to just multiply what the solution that you get. There are many methods. It's just that let me just do it. Maybe you will understand. Now we're good.
Okay.
Can we go to the next slide?
Yeah. Can we do more questions like this?
It depends whether we will get it or not. This is the previous question papers.
Mm-hmm.
What's the name? 1 kg is equals to what? Hello?
Hi, Tuperela.
And we're doing another method.
Oh, hey. Oh, my God.
Ini. 1 kg is equals to how many grams? Hello?
1,000 grams.
1,000 grams. Therefore, it means we're going to say what? 1,000 divided by what to get to ounce? 28, comma. Then we get how many ounce? And ourselves, we know that indeed 1 ounce is equals to 228,35 gram. So if we have got 1,000 gram, how many ounce? We just divide that 1,000 by this 28,35. Are we fine?
Yes.
Then we get what? Don't round it off.
35,2.
Don't round it off. You said what? 20, 35, comma?
27.
Mm-hmm.
33.
Mm-hmm.
68.
Mm-hmm.
61.
This is our what? Ounce. Now, 35,2733686 will be equals to how many rands? So we first convert that ounce. We first convert that ounce to a dollar. Are we good? Hello?
Yes.
Then when we convert
Yes.
that ounce to a dollar, we're going to say 35,2733686 multiplied by, because we're converting it to a dollar, is going to be multiplied by what? One ounce is equals to how many dollars?
$978,34.
See? Going to multiply by 978,34. Now, when we multiply this, it's going to be what? It's going to be in what? In dollar. Are we good? Hello?
Yes.
Then we multiply, we convert again a dollar to a rand. $1 is equals to how many rand? 8,79. So we multiply by 8,79. Then we get our final solution. What did you get?
Got 3,337,16.
Awipa chelede yamba. Ena
Ah?
mwana wake ando. Aboje nate ando odi.
Eh.
Awipa chelede yamba.
Mm.
Prime.
There are 3,337
We don't have that money.
rands. What do we have?
Ado ramba nganti. Asong wara chelede di bonga tiba kwana.
300.
Baphuma.
300 and what?
3,000.
303,000.
Ah?
Or 300 and min.
3,000. It's 303.
303,000.
337 rands.
337 rands.
Comma 16 cents.
16.
Yes.
So now, do you know why you got the different solution from this one?
No.
No.
You rounded off before you reach the solution.
How so?
Also, this is a round off.
Oh, okay.
If you go and put
So,
everything there,
so in finance, you don't have to round off your numbers until you get the answer.
yeah, you are not allowed to round before you reach the final solution in finance.
So the first answer is wrong.
Sorry, no, they can give you if they understand mathematics.
If they don't,
But in finance, you don't round before you reach the solution.
So like the first one where we did round, is it wrong?
It depends who is marking. But the guidance is don't round off before you reach the solution. Some of the memo they can, and memo comes with or. They will say or, then they write the solution where people are rounding. You can round off if it is specified on your instruction. They can say round off to 2 decimals, so you are not going to be wrong. You fine.
yes.
Okay. So let's do the next example and see if you are really following. Is the question visible?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So now, uh, Ampao, we can go with the question.
Yes.
You can read the question.
Okay. Zach likes to travel. He has saved 5,000 as spending money for his vacation in Australia at the end of 2015. Zach looks up the exchange rate on the internet. Using the information in the table below, calculate how many Australian dollars Zach can buy for 5,000 Rand.
You want to calculate how many what?
How many Australian dollars Zach can buy for 5,000?
Australian dollar. Then what are we going to do?
I assume we are going to go and say 5,000 divided by 0.105058.
Why are you dividing by that one?
I don't know. Or because we're looking for the Australian dollar. So that's the amount we have to use because it's the equivalent of 1 rand.
No, if you use this one, if you use this one that we are talking about, this one is already divided. So if you use this one, then you have to multiply by it. If you are using this one, then you have to divide by it. Do you get it?
No.
Is there anyone who is getting what I'm saying? If you're using this one, you have to divide the given 5,000. If you are using this one, you have to multiply the given 5,000. So, did you get it?
I think, not really sure, but I think
The question is still visible, right?
Yes.
So it's either to say 5,000 divided by 9,518569 rands per dollar. Then this one is going to give you how many dollars? Or you can say that 5,000 multiplied by 0,105058 dollars per rand. You must get the same solution. Then here, the first time you get what?
525,29.
You say 29, eh?
Yes.
And the year?
525,29.
Did you now understand? That one, it was already
Yes, sir.
divided. Are we good? So if it gives you 0, something, it was already, that's why they say equivalent value of 1 rand. There they say rand equivalent of 1 unit of currency. Can we do the other example and see?
Yes.
Yes.
Let me just upload it. Just give me a second. There we go. Can you try this one? I'm giving you 3 minutes to try. After writing, please send your solution on my inbox first after 3 minutes. Your time starts and begins right about Jingamanji. I think it's time up. Those who didn't send, please send.
Article physics.
I said that those who didn't send, send.
Oh,
Kuzote, I'm waiting for your solution. Okay. I think we can do a solution now. Andisa?
Nda,
Tell me the solution.
the solution for me for this question was $1. 1 euro is equals to
No, we don't. We start from the beginning. You just read the question, or we find someone to read the question.
okay. So on a certain day, the exchange rate between the US dollar and the South African rand is $1 is equals to 12 rands 91 cents. At the same time, the exchange rate between the British pound and the South African rand is €1 is equals to 16 rand 52 cents. Calculate the exchange rate between the British pound and the British pound and the US dollar on the day. So I said if $1 is equals to 12 rand 99 cents and €1 is equals to 16 rand 52 cents, then that $1 is equals to 12 rands comma 9 cents. Below, right below that, x is equals to um 16 um 16 rands 52 cents. So then I divided the two to give me x, and then my x was $1.28. So therefore $1.28 is equals to €1.
And it means from this step, we come and say this is like, this thing is going to be equals to 16,52 divided by what? 12,91 is that so? Which is equals to, therefore,
1,2.
may I beg your pardon?
1,28.
Therefore, it means our €1 is approximately 1,28. Or someone can say, oh, this only happen when you divide a pound by what? By $1. You get a euro. Or someone can say, oh, dollar divided by what? Pound. Is that so? Which is nothing but equals to 12,9, 1 divided by 16,52. Therefore, it means $1 is going to be equals to what? What did you get? 0,
7, 8.
0,78. Are we good?
Yes.
Yes.
So now, can we go to the next question?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. This one will be our last question for the day. No? And let's see if people still have got a full of energy battery for another class. There we go. How many minutes should I give you?
Ten minutes.
10.
5.
3.
Or we can discuss it because we no longer have time. Ne? So, Takaro, let's go with the question. Takaro, are you there?
Yes.
Let's go with the question.
Brent crude oil cost 47.71 a barrel. Calculate the cost in rands of
Cost
importing in rand
okay.
of importing a barrel when the exchange rate is 13.39 to the dollar.
Then we're going to say cost equals to how much? Cost is going to be equals to our 47 multiplied by what? 13.39. Are we still together?
Yes.
Then what did we get?
We got 638.84 rands.
638.84.
84.
Let's proceed. What read the question?
If the rand weakens, will the cost of importing Brent crude oil increase or decrease?
If the rand weakens, will the cost of importing Brent crude oil increase or decrease? For now. Ampao, what
Yes,
do you think?
I think it will increase
Yes, it will increase. Why are you saying so, if I can ask?
because when the rent weekends, it means that $1 is gonna be equals to more rents.
Yeah, it means a 1 rand it loses values. So it will increases. Are we good? And Lisa, read the question 3.2.
Uh, 3.2. My screen is kind of backed out now. Just wait a second. Okay,
Okay.
3.2 says, if the exchange rate is €1, if the exchange rate is €1 is equals to 15 rands 19 cents, and £1 is equals to 17 rands 30 cents. Determine the exchange rate between the euro and the pound.
It means we're going to say exchange rate is nothing but equals to 1 over 15.19 multiplied by 17.8. And then you know it's like 17.8 over 15.9. Is that so? Hello. You know that this is like the same way as we're saying 17 comma 30 divided by 5 comma 15.19.
Yes.
Therefore, it means our £1 is going to be equals to what? Our £1 is equals to how many euro?
It's equals to 1.14.
Equals to 1.14 euro. Or someone can say exchange rate is equals to 1 over 17,30 times 15,19 is like 15,19 divided by that one. It means our €1 is going to be equals to how many pounds?
But if you say 1 over 17,30 times 15,19, doesn't that make those two cross multiply?
No, it's the same
What does
as
it do?
15,19 divided by 17,30.
Also, current shikoloni barukudesa, if it comes like this, you have to put over 1, apalani batotori 15,19 over 1, which will make those two cross multiply.
No, any number is always over 1. We don't have to put that unless if we are truly showing. And there is no cross multiplication without equal sign.
Okay.
The cross multiplication only happen when there's an equal sign, something like this. This there's no cross multiplication. Only numerator by numerator and the denominator by denominator. Did you get it?
Yes.
Yeah. How would the English pro or cross multiply with an equal sign? And any number is always over 1, so there's no use for us to write 1. Are we good? It's like when we are saying 3 to the power of 2, 3 to the power 3. And then at school they say write this. What is the use to write 3 to the power 1? Any number is always to the power 1. It's like this. It doesn't change. Are we fine?
Yes.
Okay. Then when you remunerate your calculator, what did you get? Guys, you are not pressing your calculator.
0.88.
Even, what's wrong with you?
Pounds.
You're sleeping.
No.
So I will send you practice questions. For now, I will just send you a sleeping passport that you have to submit before you sleep. Are we good?
Oh, yes.
Okay, thank you very much for your time, guys. Goodbye, good luck, study hard.